Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and happy Easter. What an odd setting for Easter, but there's a reason. Every 9th of the month, J Dolls UK and I give you a reminder of the upcoming Dolls Gone Goth videos for the 16th of every month. And this month, we're going to do Dolls Gone Goth Bad Eggs. I know, isn't that hilarious? When Jay said that, I laughed. I have so many ideas. I hope I can pull something cute off. So the month's theme is bad eggs. We're all going to put our videos up on the April 16th. Most will go up at 6 a.m. You can use any kind of doll that you would like to use and put it up at any time. However, if you put it up at 6 a.m., you're more likely to get more views. And that's 6 a.m. Central Time. I hope you will join in. This is so much fun, and the videos are just, oh, I love sitting down and watching them all. Thank you, J Dolls UK, for doing these fun Dolls Gone Goth collabs with me each month. Please visit Jay's channel and see her announcement today. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please have a very safe and happy Easter. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.